one hears a secret tune hidden through the years. Your voice is a wave, invisible and low, a melody lost where the quiet winds blow. I feel the bass where my heart should beat, a rhythm unspoken, a sound so sweet. In the silence of night, I hear you call, a symphony trapped behind the wall. No one can listen, it's ours alone, a love that plays in a frequency unknown. Beyond the noise, in the static haze, our song survives where the silence stays. Your whispers flow like an unseen stream, a soundless echo through my dream. No crowd will dance, no stage will see, this quiet rhythm is meant for me. Every vibration, a story untold, a love so rare, it shimmers like gold. Where the world hears nothing, we find our song, a hidden chorus where we belong. No one can listen, it's ours alone, a love that plays in a frequency unknown. Beyond the noise, in the static haze, our song survives where the silence stays. Close your eyes, feel the soundless tide, in the stillness of time where we collide. No lyrics to sing, no notes to play, just the quiet hum that guides our way. The universe hums a secret refrain, a love so pure it escapes the plane. Our song exists where no ears can go, in the depths of the silence only we know. No one can listen, it's how we're free, a silent melody, just you and me. Beyond the echoes, where no sound lays, our love remains in its quiet embrace.